What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny, Birdy, Gator. You guys want to know what my voice sounds like in the morning? Well, this is it. Yes, I just woke up to do this voiceover for you guys and to recap some of my favorites from the last time I went out. So if you missed some of my other videos due to the holidays and travel or whatever, these are my favorite items from the last time I went out when I went to the Wisconsin store. And don't worry you guys, new content is coming soon, but these are just some of my favorites that I enjoyed seeing the last time I went out. And I hope you guys find these items too, especially these storage bins. I really like these. Anyways, enjoy the video. I'm thinking that this would be perfect for my second channel, Bunny, Birdy, Gator ASMR, for my chalk crushing. It's kind of shallow, but not too shallow. I think it would be perfect. I'm actually going to grab one of these. This one's kind of dusty. I think I'm going to grab this one. I really like how my black storage bin looks on camera. If you guys have been watching my second channel, then you'll know the one I'm talking about, but it's a little black oil pan. It's a little oil pan and I got it here and it just films really well. Look at this color. You have this color. This is really nice. Nice and deep. And then we also have this color. Nice. We have gray. The gray is nice. Again, I'm just thinking of nice little bins for my gym chalk crushes and my powdery crushes. I like the gray. The gray is nice. I don't know, maybe I should get two of the gray. I'm just gonna load them up for now. I should probably get two of the white. You guys, we have even more. Look at this. I'm just kind of infatuated with these containers right now. This is what they look like. They have sort of a no slip bottom. These are definitely new, these unicorn styling heads. This is my first time ever seeing these. We have a lot of brand new Ioni items to look at. The display is very cute and designer bag inspired. Let's start right here with this primer. We have a face hydrating primer. Wow, super cute packaging. We have a face finishing spray. We have a glitter liner. Some of these are just sitting right here and not hanging up. We have a highlight. We have a mini perfect brow. We have golden glow, a brow gel.
Amanda, to register, please.
We have a brow pencil. We have a mascara, dramatic black mascara. We have a liquid felt tip eyeliner. We have a pencil eyeliner. That's the metallic liner. We have a liquid lipstick. This is the color. We have another one. I just love the packaging, you guys. Isn't it so cute? We have a tinted lip balm. I'm just so in love with this packaging. I just can't get over it. They did such a nice job. We also have a clear lip gloss. Wow. I mean, they're just giving us so many to choose from. And the packaging is all just so cute. Okay, where did this one go? We have glow. But you do have to get down on the floor to look through everything. We have the glitter liner and the highlight. Where'd the little highlight go? Then there's a second little really hard to take off cap where you could use this like super fine nib and you could use great precision in detailing your nails, but you kind of have to squeeze this one as you go. Birdy and I have really been liking those lately. That's why they're calling these a 3-in-1, and these are raspberry scented. So we have raspberry scented. I mean, all these years of looking at these, I just thought it was just going to be some paint on thing, but it's not, you guys. There's the paint on option. There's the fine tipped option, again, which is very hard. It's the second portion of the lid. And then we have this portion with glitter. This one's vanilla scented. And we have blueberry scented. And we have cherry scented. And then last but not least, we have corrupt cranberry. All by Maybelline. These are the Vivid Matte Lippies by Maybelline. And the Jade facial rollers are here. And what's this? Okay, if you guys watched about 2 videos back, I showed an end cap with this new brand that we've never seen here before. It's called City Color. I found a bunch of City Color polishes, but now we have this illuminating cream. Supposedly it's holographic. They're calling it High Shine Lightweight Illuminating Cream, and it's cruelty free. Has anyone tried this? I love stuff like this, but I have a lot of new products like that at home, so I'm not going to grab it. Oh my gosh, you guys, what is this? I have to get this. This is Gummy Bear Lip Scrub. Gummy Bear, you guys. Gummy Bear. Has anyone tried this? Please tell me it's good, because I really want it to be good, and I want to buy a few if it is. Oh my gosh, you guys, it looks so cute. Gummy Bear exfoliating lip scrub. And then we also have Cotton Candy Collagen. This is a replenishing lip mask. These are so cute, you guys. They're cute and they're really sturdy. These are cute little night lights. Like, they feel super, super sturdy. Oh my gosh, you guys. And look what's back. The little lights are back. Who remembers these? These show up every year. The cute little lights. They're actually really bright. Well, that was it, you guys. These were some of my favorites. This was a favorites compilation or favorites recap. I was really happy to see some of these name brand items. Hope you guys find them too. Let me know down in the comments what are some of your favorite name brand items you've been finding lately. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to hang out with you guys live, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.